Hello everyone, it's Oswald English class. Today I'm going to introduce you about birds. Well, so there are a lot of birds, in Earth. While all of those birds, there are some birds that, mimic us. Well, not mimicking, us, but our voice, which is parrots. Well, how could parrots mimic our voices? And today I'm going to introduce you about that. So, when you see monkeys are the most, closest animal to us, but those monkeys does not mimic our voices or something. But then how could parrots, which don't have any similarities to humans, could mimic our voices? That is because, our respiratory system here is like an, upside down slingshot, and so, the top is the trachea where air comes in, and then the bottom is where it goes to the lungs. And so, we have the larynx, which makes our voices, is up the trachea, but those parrots are under the trachea. And so, in the syrinx, they, open and close their voice boxes and can, get more sounds than one piano. And so with that, when parrots are born, from an egg, they are learning as the, first time as they came into the world. They are learning at that time also. And so they learn how humans say. And so parrots mimic us with their voice boxes that close and open. And so that is how parrots mimic our voices. And yeah, it's, good. Okay, today I introduced you about parrots, and next time I'll come with a different topic. Bye bye, and see you next time.